Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All these foods, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing. You should defecate past your bowels and urinate every day. Get all the toxins out. You know what my doctor said, you can eat anything, you have cancer, you try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I will die. These are my medicines. I will take it in front of you. My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said, owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa niyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko.